Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong post ni Ed Alunan. Isinare lang ni Ed Alunan ang magandang article ni Professor Ana Malindog Oy. Sabi niya, Thailand is doing the right thing. See below. So, isinare ni Professor Malindog Oy ang article tungkol sa Thailand. Sabi dito, Thailand rejects full tariff liberalization for US imports. Nakikipag-negotiate sila with the US kasi ang ipinataw na tarifa ng US government sa Thailand is 36%. Mataas, ano? Sa atin, 20%. Nako, ang ating presidente with so many representatives. So, isang party nagpunta, nakipag-negotiate. Very significant daw na achievement. Significant. Dahil naipababa nila ng, ng 1%. Kaya yung 20 naging 19 plus zero tariff ng American products. Okay? Ang laking kaibahan sa Thailand. Ayaw nila ng zero tariff for US export to ano. So ongoing pa ang kanilang negotiation. Hindi kami papayag, sabi ng Thailand government. So ang Thailand government ngayon, tinawag nilang Team Thailand. Nagpadala lang ng counter proposal nila, ito ang gusto namin. So hinihintay ngayon ang response ng US government. Para ang Thailand government sasagot na naman. Ang deadline nila is August 1. 2025 sa negotiation. Pag hindi sila magkasundo, it will remain na 36% ang tarifa ng Thailand exports to the US. Kailang in exchange no zero tariff. Ayaw nila, basta matigas. Ito yung tough negotiator. So di ba dapat ito sana ang gayahin ng ating administration ngayon. Kung nakaya ng Thailand, bakit hindi natin makaya? Ito ang tanong ni ano eh. Matigas talaga, ayaw namin. Zero, ay mapektuhan ang aming mga farmers. Mapektuhan ang negosyo namin. Kung ayaw nyo, di wag na. Hindi na kami makipag-trade sa inyo. Makipag-trade. Kailang negotiation pa. Kagaya ng ibang ASEAN countries, negotiation din. Ito, basahin natin ang article ni Professor Ana Malindog Oy. Thailand is doing the right thing. This is how you show the world that you have the balls and courage to stand tall and fight for your country and its economic well-being, Mr. President. So, ibig sabihin, implying ni Professor Wala na dahil pumayag na ang presidente, zero tariff, walang balls ang presidente. Ito ang sinasabi dito. That's how you assert your nation's interest with spine. Yung may spine ba? Yung nakatayo ka, hindi yung yuyuko ka na lang. And strategy, not with scripted smiles and concession speeches. Pangiti-ngiti pa sila sa Washington DC, kailan? Wala. Meanwhile, ito na. Vietnam, without hosting a single US base, successfully negotiated its tariff rate down from a whopping 46% to just 20%. Wow! Gabing galing na ito ang tunay top negotiator, Vietnam. Naipababa nila ng 26%. Walang US bases sa Vietnam. Eh bakit sa atin? 9 EDCA sites. Tapos wala tayong magawa. Grabe. Bakit naman? Indonesia followed suit, trimming its rate from 30 to, I think 36 ito 36% to 19%. So bumaba ng 17%. All while keeping its defense posture firmly in its own hands. No foreign boots, no foreign strings. So walang US bases sa Indonesia, walang US bases sa Thailand na kaya nilang maipababa ang kanilang taripa. Bakit tayo 9 EDCA sites na madagdagan pa? US ammunition manufacturing plant idadagdag sa sulbi. Dadagdagan pa tayo ng sangkatutak na US missiles and unmanned weapon system. So, and then there's the Philippines, the outlier, the cautionary tale. So, to add insult to injury, Trump. Yes, that Trump had the audacity to advise Marcos Jr. that it's perfectly fine to maintain good relations with China and do business with China like any seasoned and pragmatic businessman would. Okay. So, goodness gracious, sabi ni Professor Roy, that's not statecraft, that's a clearance sale on sovereignty. Parang binargin na daw ang ating soberenya. Hoy, Pilipinas, gising! While our neighbors are bargaining hard, we're busy bending over backwards and calling it diplomacy. Seriously. Ay ano daw significant achievement daw yun, yung 1%. Magbasa tayo sa mga comments, ha? Comments. Saan ang mga comments? Well said. Sapi Mindaw, it's not our decision. Anong palusot ng presidente? Nung tinanong, bakit siya pumayag? Hindi ko naman desisyon yun. Tanongin nyo sa US, bakit sila nagpataw ng ganon? Paano ka maging negotiator? Grabe. Ayan. Define tough negotiator. Victor Piansay. Our president is indeed a weakling president. He got the butt but do not have the balls to negotiate. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel.